Hello children, how are you? Hope you'll be good. Welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 7th exercise 1.1 and question number 8 and 9. So let us see question number 8, that is verification. You have to verify A minus in bracket minus B, that is equal to A plus B. So always keep in mind what is written left of equal to that is LHS, and what is written right to it, that is RHS. So we have to do it like this. So you have to verify LHS is equal to RHS. Is it correct or not? If it is not equal, then it is incorrect. So let us take the first one. Firstly, we will write what we have to verify. Okay. Now put the values. Value of A. So you can write over here. Put the values. Put the value of A is equal to 21 and B equals to 18. So A is what? 21. Earlier also I told you always try to write it in bracket, right? Now it is already written in bracket minus, means you have to do like this. Here is minus and inside to it, that is 18, right? That is equal to, here is 21 and here it is 18. Okay, so this is 21. Now remove the bracket. Now minus into minus is what? Plus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus minus plus, right? This is equal to 21 plus 18. As you can see, both are equal. Means here it becomes 39. That is equal to 39. So LHS is equal to your RHS, so it is verified. You have to do the following steps for doing verification, right? So children, let us come to the second part of question number 8. A is equal to 118 and B equals to 125. So how you will do it? Again you have to write LHS, that is equal to RHS. This you have to verify. This is to verify. Okay, this you have to verify. So put the values first. Put values of A is equal to 118 and B equals to 125, right? Now put the value. See, A is what? 118. Put 118. Minus. Then minus is there. So put minus. And B. For B here, negative sign is not there. Not there. So need not to do the square bracket. If here it will be. If here is negative sign, so then you have to put two brackets there. One is square bracket and another one is common bracket. So let us write, as it is positive number, so we have written just like this only, minus is given here, and for B I have written 125. So this is equal to 118 plus 125, right? Now look here, this is 118, minus into minus is plus 125, okay? That is equal to 118 plus 125. So this is again, as we can see, both are equal. Then also just add up. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3, 4 and 2, right? This is equal to 243. So LHS is equal to RHS and hence it is verified. Okay children? Okay children? So children, as I have done question number 8, two parts of that, you can do by yourself the other two parts. Okay, I think there will be no problem. problem. You have to just verify it. Okay. Now come to the next question. You have to compare whether the statement, in the question it is written whether the statement is true. You have to put the proper sign for that. So I have just written use these marks for. Okay. So again you can see which sign you have to put here. Means you have to compare these two. Okay. Now let us see. This is what? LHS side. So I have written small LHS here and this is RHS. Okay. Now see. This is -8. So write -8. Then after plus minus is -4. Okay. Then again bracket, that a box, then -8. You can remove the bracket -8 and this minus again it is what? Plus. Okay. -8 -4. Is it equal to, let me run this one, is equal to -8 plus 4. Okay. Now -8 -4, minus, what you have to do? You have to do plus. And which sign you have to put? See which number is greater? 8 is greater. So in front of 8 which sign is there? Minus sign is there. So put minus sign here. Okay. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. Here it is 12. Then minus plus is minus. You have to do minus. Which sign you will put? See which sign? It is minus sign. So minus sign. Okay. Minus sign we have put. Now you have to do minus only. So 8 minus 4 is what? 4. Now see which number is greater. You remember the number 9? Yes. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and this is -4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here it is -12. So -4 and -12, which is to the right is greater? Which is to the right? -12, -4, which is to the right? -4 is to the right. Okay, so -4 is greater means mouth will open to that side. Okay. So children, let us take another question. Let us take the another question. So children, I am with you with the second part of question number 9. I think first part is clear to you. Children, it is very simple. You just see what you have to do and which formula, that rules of negative and positive, that is the rules of integers, you have to keep in mind. It is really very simple. I just enjoy doing all these sums. So let us start. This is -3. Open the bracket, remove the bracket. Now plus 7. Okay. Then minus 19. Okay. We have put this box. If you wish to put it, otherwise make a line over here. Okay. This is LHS. This one is LHS. And this is RHS. Okay. Keep in mind this thing. Now, here it is what? 15. Then -8 plus minus is -9. Okay. Now let us see which is the positive number, positive integer in these three. Which is the positive integer? Plus 7. So rearrange it. Okay. Then -3 and then -19. Then this box. Then 15 is the positive, so no need to write. You just simply do this one. -8 and -9. Minus. What do you have to do? You have to do add positive. You have to do plus. Plus means addition. You have to do operation. I am telling about the operation. -8 and -9. What we have to do? Here we have to do addition. Right? Now which sign will be there? Now see minus is plus, that the operation is there. Now which number is greater? See -8 and 9. Which number is greater? 9 is greater. In front of 9 which sign is there? This is minus sign. So put here minus sign. Okay. You have to do what? You have to do add. 8 plus 9 is 8, 8, 16 and 17. So here it is 17. Now let us see here. We have written 7 here. minus 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 minus, what you have to do? You have to do add. We have to do add. And which sign will come? See, 3 and 19. Which sign? 90 number is greater. In front of this, minus sign is there, so put minus sign. Okay. Now, you have to do add. 19 plus 3 is 22. Okay. Now, here it is this box. Now, 15 minus 19. 15 minus 17. 15 minus 17 means this number is smaller. So, here it is plus. Plus minus. What do you have to do? Plus minus, what you have to do? You have to do minus. We have to do minus subtraction. We have to do, and which sign will come? See, 15 and 17. Which sign will come? 17 number is greater. In front of 17, which sign is there? That is negative sign. So put negative sign. Negative sign and do minus only. So 17 minus 15 is what? 2. Right? Here, now, this is plus 7. Plus minus, what do you have to do? You have to do minus, plus minus, minus. So you have to do minus means subtraction we have to do. And which sign will come? See which number is greater? Minus. Okay, 22 is greater. So in front of 22 minus sign is there. So put minus sign. 22 minus 7 is 2 and 5, that is 15. Now, which number is right in the number line? Minus 15 or minus 2? Which is to the right? Just to the right, this is minus 2. So, the sign will be like this. So, understood, children? I think you will try the other sums. Okay, one more I'll do for you. So, children, let us come to the D part of question number 9. I have not taken C part. You do by yourself, and E part also you will do by yourself. This is the last question that I am going to tell you. So, just listen carefully and understand. Try to understand it, okay? If there will be any problem, you can write in the comment box. Yes, I am having problem here. So, I'll explain you in the next video. So, better to listen carefully first. No need to write down. I think answers are with you in any that you are having books or extra books. So, you'll get the answer. But how we have to do it? That is why I am here to tell you about that. Okay? So, children, listen here. This is 39. Okay? Then plus minus. Plus minus. Rules you have to keep in mind. Plus minus is what? Minus 24. Okay? Then minus, here it is plus, minus plus, minus, right? This is what LHS, this is what RHS. Now, come over here, this is 36, plus minus is, yes, minus 52, minus into minus is plus 32, right? Now see, positive number, only this one is positive number, so I am writing over here. Now minus, minus, which operation we have to do here? Minus, minus, we have to do what? Addition, plus. So we have to do plus, and which sign will come there? For that we have to see which number is greater. 15 and 24. 24 is greater. Which sign is in front of that? That is minus sign, so put minus. You have to do plus, but you have to put minus sign. Okay. 24 plus 15, that is 9 and 3. Okay. Clear? Now, this one, here I have written 36, okay, plus 32, so I have written here plus 32, right, then minus 52, okay, so here it is 39 minus 39, that is 0, and 36 plus 32, do it, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 3 plus 3 is 6. 68 minus 52. Yes, what will come here? 8 minus, this is 6 and this is 1. So which is greater or less? This number is less. Again the number line keep in mind, as 0 is there, no need. But then also whenever, which number is greater, if you have to do that, then just made an imagination that yes, number line which is to the right, that will be greater. So 16 is to the right, 16 is a greater number. So children, here I stop my class. So I think you will get all the points. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new notifications and for updated videos. So thank you and have a nice day.